Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have a Target Dollar Spot or Bullseyes Playground haul for you guys. So if you're interested in seeing what I found at Target this week, go ahead and stick around for this video. Alright, so it is extremely windy outside. So if you guys can hear the wind coming through my chimney, I'm so sorry. There's nothing I can do about it. But let's go ahead and get into this haul. I'm gonna go ahead and start with my favorite item that I found this week. And it's this right here. It's this Greenery. It says that it's a potted plant. This was only $3. And the reason I think this is such a good deal is because you can buy the sprigs of this at the Target Dollar Spot. And it's about $1. When it comes down to it, you can buy it like this already put together, or you can buy the sprigs, and I think that this is cheaper. The little tin container has the stripes on it, which I think is really cute. They had several other options. One of them just said like, thanks for all you do or something, like if you were gonna give it to a teacher or a coworker or something. But I thought that this looked very festive. I think it's kind of supposed to be Christmas, but some of them weren't Christmas themed. But for $3, I think this is a really great deal. This is supposed to, I don't know what it's supposed to look like. If you guys know in the comment section, let me know what this Greenery is. Okay, if you guys see the camera shaking, it's Brat Cat. She's literally rubbing the camera. Hey, don't knock my camera over. She always makes her way into my videos. What the world? Some items that I also really love were these metal bows. I think these are so awesome. They're bows, but they're metal. They'll always hold their shape. I just love them. I got mine in the black and white buffalo check, and I wish I could have found more, but I only found 2. I'm on the lookout for more. But I'm gonna put these on my wreaths that I'm gonna put on my windows. I think that they're gonna look so cute. They'll match my decor perfectly, and they're kind of rustic farmhouse, which I really love. I think $1 is a great deal for these. So again, be on the lookout for them. They had several different styles, but this one was definitely my favorite. They have some super adorable ornaments right now, and a lot of these ornaments, you don't have to use them as ornaments. You can use them for crafting projects, or you could even use them to put in tier trays and things like that. I'll go ahead and start with this one. I really like this one. It says December 25th. You guys know during Christmas, they had the during Halloween, they had the Halloween ones that said December 30th, or not December, oh my gosh, it's been a Monday, that said October 31st. So this is very cute. This will definitely be going in one of my tier trays or coffee trays, or maybe on my fireplace, I don't know. I also grabbed this one. It just looks like the red door, and it's got, I love the little tiny wreath that's on it. I thought that was so cute. And I don't know if I said it, but these were all $1. These ornaments were all $1. And then I really loved this one. It looks like a wreath. It's got some holly, but then the inside is a chalkboard. So I thought that that would be really cute to write like a saying in it and then put in a tier tray or something like that. I know I keep saying that and it's kind of annoying, but that's kind of my plan for these. They had some really cute ones. They had a pair of Santa shoes and the top part of the boot was fuzzy. It was really, really cute. I don't really know why I didn't get it. I'll probably end up buying it eventually, but I saw that one and I thought it was really adorable. I don't know why I didn't pick it up. They also have these packages. It says mini hanging signs. I can only see the first one, and it says Mrs. Claus Bakery. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what the other two say. Oh, these are really, really adorable. You want to check them out? Ace wants to check them out. So this one says Mrs. Claus Bakery. So there's that one. And then this next one says Santa's Workshop. And the last one says Gift Wrapping Warehouse. That is adorable. These are so, so cute. The package of 3 was $3. So basically, just like the ornaments, they were $1 a piece. These are so cute. I found some Santa sacks. I thought these were adorable because you don't have to, you can definitely use them as Santa sacks. Like if you have kids and you want to use them as Santa sacks, you could, or you could stuff them and use them as decoration. That was kind of my plan, was to stuff it and then maybe set it on my fireplace to make it look like Santa has a sack full of toys or whatever. They had a lot of different styles at my Target. This one says North Pole Express Post Office Special Delivery North Pole, and it looks like a postage like stamp or whatever. when it goes through the mail. And then this is kind of like a burlap material, not burlap, but like a canvas material. It kind of smells funny, but anyways, this was, I believe it was $5. Oh no, this was $3. So yeah, I definitely would not have bought it if it was $5. This was $3. The way that they have it on here, it says that it's a gift sack. So you're supposed to put a gift inside of it. But like I said, I'm gonna stuff mine and set it on my fireplace as like a decor piece to make it look like it's Santa's, I don't know, toy sack or something like that. Speaking of Santa, I have a couple of Santa items. The first one is this plate, and it just says cookies for Santa. Thought that was cute, and I thought that it would go good with my coffee bar. I don't have kids, or I definitely would use it as an actual Santa plate, but I think on my coffee bar it will look really cute displayed. And then I am all about like fancying up my kitchen for Christmas, using like Christmas decor in my kitchen. So I went ahead and I grabbed this. It says made with love, Mrs. Claus Cookie Company, baked fresh and served nightly. Let's see what it says it is. It says a decorative tile. So I don't know. I was gonna use it next to my stove to put like, when you're like using spoons or whatever, you can rest your utensils on it. So that's what I'm gonna use it for. You could use it as like a hot pad. That might be what it actually is for, is like a hot pad. But yeah, adorable. They had a lot of stuff like this. Like they had a cup that looked like this and just a lot of different things. You can tell there's definitely like a theme going on at the Target dollar spot right now. And they did have several other prints of this as well, so be sure to go and check those out, look through them, see which ones you like best. I of course like this one best. So going back to that first thing that I showed you, this is the same exact thing that was in this right here. Like it is the exact same thing. This was $1, so this package is $1. There is probably the equivalent of at least 2 of these in there. So it's almost like you get the 10 for free by buying this potted plant. But I went ahead and I got this. I guess the smarter thing would have been for me to buy another one of those and just take it apart. But anyways, maybe you can do that, and I didn't figure it out at the time. But anyways, okay, it says it's boxwood. So that's what they are. They're boxwood sprigs. But I bought these to use as just kind of some decor. Put it in my tier trays, you know, and things like that. I think it's really, really cute. It's kind of hard to come by good looking fake greenery. So, and I waited too long during fall. When they put out their fall ones, I waited way too long and all the good ones got taken. So I learned my lesson. I went ahead and grabbed a package of these just so they didn't run out. I don't think that they will, but just in case. And my last item that I picked up this week is a gift bag. It was $1. It says that it's a jumbo gift bag. It is pretty big. I wouldn't say it's jumbo, but it's like a large gift bag. I actually bought this to do a DIY with. I do love that it has the, it's not really buffalo check. What do they call it? Gingham or whatever. But I liked that, the black and white. I liked the print, the way it says Merry Christmas on there. So I'm definitely gonna do something with this. So be on the lookout for a DIY that I do with this bag. Alright you guys, so that was my haul. I think that I want to try something new and end this video with a question for you guys, because I really enjoyed, I asked a question on one of my other videos. I got a lot of good answers and I just really enjoyed reading through them and seeing what you guys had to say. So I thought today's question was perfectly fitting. It is so incredibly cold where I live. I live kind of in central Oklahoma, and yesterday I wore shorts to the grocery store because it was like 65 degrees, and today on my car on the way home from work a while ago, it said 20 something degrees. I can't remember exactly what it was. I want to say 24 degrees is what it said. The wind chill is ridiculous. It's so crazy. So here's my question to you. Where are you from? You can just tell me what state you're from, and what is the temperature like today currently where you're at, because it is bitterly cold and the wind is crazy. All my porch decorations are on the ground outside. I have to go pick them up. So let me know where you're from, what's the temperature like where you're currently at, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye!